The big difference between trading a demo and a live account. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music career, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and comment. It does a lot. Thank you so much. Now, trading a demo account and trading live, there's a very big difference. Now I'm new to this whole Forex thing. I'm really new, just a few months in, but I can tell that demo trading and live trading are so different. And this is what I've discovered. Emotions. Now, a lot of Forex gurus will say trade a demo account, keep trading a demo account and all that. That's okay advice, right? But for me, from my personal experience, trading in the last few months is so different. Now, this is why. In a demo account, your money is not involved. So it's so easy to take trades because whatever you lose, you can lose willingly and there is no money involved. The advantage is that, yeah, you perfect your strategy, hopefully, and then get used to the platform and all that, you know, how how trading works. That's okay. But when it now comes to making money, you find out that the same trades you took or you take on a demo account, it's difficult to take them on a real account because there's money involved. So probably you used to hold your trades longer. It's paper money, there's no money involved. When it's now real money, this is my personal experience, not for everybody, so it's not law, but I'm just telling you from my personal experience, right? Thank you. When money is not involved, you know, those things you used to be able to do, probably you could hold your losses a little bit longer, or maybe you hold your profits a little bit longer. You can no longer do them when it comes to money. For example, you're in a trade, maybe you are up $100, you know, and then you start thinking, should I leave this money? Should I take this money? You know, will it hit my TP? Will it go higher, right? And then you discover that while in a demo account, you could actually hold your trades longer. In live accounts, you're cutting them short, you know. While trading a demo, you can decide to, you know, make your stop losses a little bit, you know, give yourself more stop loss. But in a live account, when you see drawdown and you see like your money is really going, it's difficult to sit in those emotions. And that's why I'm going to say this right now, that Forex is such a mind game, guys. Like, your mind has to be right. That's what I've noticed. You might in fact, that's why a lot of Forex traders don't succeed, for my little experience, because the analysis part, a lot of people know the analysis. You understand these things, you understand trend lines, you understand higher highs, higher lows. Like, we know to take trades. But when it now comes to your capital, your real money involved, I know that you can lose money. You start second guessing yourself, you start doubting your trades, you start being anxious, you start being nervous. These are things that I've experienced, right? And that's why I'm happy that I really didn't take too much time. In fact, I didn't even trade a demo because I just knew. The moment I traded demo for like I said, you know what, let me just learn the hard way, you know. And at this stage, I'm actually learning to control my emotions, which I think is the biggest thing with Forex that I'm learning. How to control emotions when you're making money or when you're losing money, you know. Anyway, that's just my idea. I don't know what you guys think. There are a lot of gurus out there, you know, that have been doing this for years, so they have more experience. You could tell me, you can counter me. We're all here to learn, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. As I said earlier on, I'm on a journey to make $100,000 to fund my music trading Forex. If you are new here, like, comment and subscribe. Good to have you on the channel. I'll come your way again with another video to help all of us upcoming traders make more money. See you guys in the next one. Head to the studio now. Peace out.